The dawn of a new era is upon us as Everton Football Club prepares to step into its magnificent new stadium for the very first time. Situated on the iconic waterfront at Bramley Moor Dock, this state-of-the-art arena is more than just a football ground. It's a symbol of Everton's proud history and ambitious future. With its cutting-edge design, capacity to host over 52,000 passionate fans, and breathtaking views of the River Mersey, the stadium represents a bold leap forward for the club and its supporters. This iconic venue, designed to honor the club's rich heritage while embracing the future of modern football, stands as a beacon of pride for Evertonians everywhere. Boasting state-of-the-art facilities, unparalleled views, and a capacity that welcomes thousands of passionate fans, this stadium promises to deliver an electrifying atmosphere that will echo with the chants of generations to come. It's more than just a home for the Blues, it's a new chapter in the club's storied history, where memories will be made, legends will rise, and the Everton spirit will shine brighter than ever before. Welcome to the dawn of a new era. Everton's new stadium brings a blend of modernity and tradition, setting it apart from other Premier League grounds. Its waterfront location provides a stunning backdrop that no other stadium can rival, offering fans breathtaking views and a unique matchday experience. The architecture combines cutting-edge design with nods to Everton's rich history, creating a space that feels both innovative and deeply rooted in the club's identity. The stadium's design ensures an intimate atmosphere, with stands positioned close to the pitch to amplify the roar of the crowd and enhance home field advantage. Its facilities are state-of-the-art, prioritizing fan comfort and inclusivity with better seating arrangements, improved accessibility, and premium hospitality options. Unlike some older stadiums that are constrained by their original designs, this venue has been built with the future in mind, incorporating sustainable features and energy-efficient systems that align with modern environmental standards. Another significant advantage is its capacity to host not just football, but a wide range of events, from concerts to community gatherings, making it a versatile addition to the local area. The new stadium also benefits from excellent transport links and integration with the surrounding community, revitalizing the area and offering a matchday experience that extends beyond 90 minutes of football. With these advantages, the new Everton Stadium sets a benchmark for what a modern football venue can achieve. The vision behind Everton's new stadium at Bramley Moor Dock is deeply rooted in the club's desire to honor its rich history while embracing a future of innovation and progress. This stadium represents more than just a new home for Everton Football Club. It is a bold statement of ambition, a symbol of connection to its fans, and a beacon of regeneration for the city of Liverpool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on more football stories. The construction journey of Everton's new stadium at Bramley Moor Dock is a story of ambition, innovation, and dedication, transforming a historic dockland site into a world-class football venue. This monumental project began with careful planning and groundwork, as the location, a Grade 2 listed site and part of Liverpool's UNESCO World Heritage Area, presented unique challenges and opportunities. Every stage of the construction process has been driven by a commitment to sustainability, community involvement, and meticulous attention to detail. Work commenced with the preparatory phase, which involved dewatering the historic dock basin. This intricate process required pumping out millions of liters of water and carefully stabilizing the ground, ensuring the site was ready for the immense structure to be built upon it. Engineers and architects collaborated closely to preserve the historical integrity of the area while modernizing it for a 21st century purpose. This phase reflected a delicate balance between respecting the dock's heritage and preparing it for its new role as a vibrant hub for sports and culture. As the project progressed, the focus shifted to the construction of the stadium's framework. The steel and concrete superstructure began to take shape, rising majestically against Liverpool's skyline. Each stage was a testament to precision engineering, with advanced technologies like drones and 3D modeling used to monitor progress and ensure accuracy. The development was also driven by sustainability goals, with efforts to use environmentally friendly materials and minimize waste wherever possible. Throughout the journey, the project maintained a strong connection to the local community. Employment and training opportunities were created for Liverpool residents, ensuring the construction of the stadium left a positive social legacy. Local businesses were also involved in the supply chain, further strengthening ties between the club and the city it represents. As the roof was installed and the seating tiers began to take form, the vision of the stadium became more tangible. Each element was carefully constructed to meet the highest standards of quality and safety while reflecting Everton's ambition to create one of the best football experiences in the world. The single-tier south stand, an iconic feature of the stadium, was a particular highlight of the build, demonstrating the bold and fan-focused design ethos at the heart of the project. The final stages of construction have been dedicated to fitting out the interior and installing the cutting-edge technology that will power the stadium. From hospitality areas to player facilities, every detail has been carefully considered to create an environment that inspires both fans and players. The surrounding area has also been transformed, with new public spaces, walkways, and transportation links, ensuring the stadium is seamlessly integrated into the city. The construction journey of Everton's new stadium is not just about building a football ground, it is about creating a legacy. This state-of-the-art venue stands as a symbol of the club's future aspirations and its enduring bond with the community, combining cutting-edge design with deep respect for history and culture. The inspiration stems from Everton's identity as the People's Club, with the stadium designed to create a matchday experience that is inclusive, welcoming, and unforgettable. It aims to reflect the passion and loyalty of its supporters by fostering a vibrant and electric atmosphere that will energize both the fans and the players on the pitch. Every detail of the design, from the steep stands that bring supporters closer to the action to the carefully curated spaces that celebrate the club's heritage, is intended to evoke pride and belonging. Moreover, the new stadium represents a commitment to revitalizing the historic Bramley Moor Dock area, breathing new life into a once-neglected waterfront site. It is a project driven by sustainability, innovation, and community, blending state-of-the-art facilities with a deep respect for the city's maritime legacy. The goal is for the stadium to not only serve as a world-class footballing venue, but also as a catalyst for economic growth, creating jobs, attracting visitors, and strengthening Everton's place in the heart of Liverpool. Ultimately, the new Everton Stadium embodies a vision of progress without forgetting the club's roots. It is a celebration of Everton's proud history, a gift to its loyal supporters, and a declaration of its readiness to compete at the highest levels for generations to come. Building on the excitement surrounding its construction journey, the opening day and inauguration of Everton's new stadium will be an unforgettable milestone that encapsulates the essence of the club's heritage and its forward-thinking vision. This historic occasion will bring fans, players, and the local community together to celebrate a new chapter, where the old traditions of Goodison Park meet the ambitions of the future. The day promises a blend of nostalgia and modernity, with a grand ceremony that pays homage to Everton's storied past while highlighting the state-of-the-art features of the new stadium. From emotional tributes to club legends to vibrant performances and festivities, every moment will be designed to honor the journey that led to this groundbreaking achievement. Fans will feel the same pride and passion that has defined their connection to the club for generations, amplified in their new home. At the heart of the event will be the much-anticipated inaugural match, a spectacle that will set the tone for the stadium's future. Whether facing a high-profile opponent or reigniting a historic rivalry, the atmosphere will be electric as Everton steps onto the pitch for the first time, cheered on by thousands in the awe-inspiring new stands. Every detail from the walkout to the first goal scored will become part of the stadium's legacy. In addition to the on-pitch action, the event will allow fans to explore the cutting-edge design and facilities, from the expansive single-tier south stand to the thoughtfully crafted fan zones and hospitality areas. This will underline the stadium's role not just as a footballing arena, but as a hub for entertainment, culture, and community engagement. It's a chance to witness firsthand how the stadium represents both progress and a deep respect for the values Everton has always stood for. The presence of dignitaries, local leaders, and global football figures will further emphasize the significance of this event, not only for the club but also for the city of Liverpool and the wider footballing world. Messages of gratitude will be shared for the architects, workers, and everyone involved in transforming the vision into reality, making this a true collective triumph. Ultimately, the inauguration of Everton's new stadium will stand as a celebration of unity, ambition, and the enduring spirit of football, creating a memory that will live in the hearts of Evertonians for generations to come. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know if there are other football projects you'd like us to explore. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you next time.